Hey, good evening, everyone. My name is Sampath. I'm from NTT. Today's my topic is multi-site connectivity and customer onboarding with the OpenStack and NSX. First of all, I would like to thank to vBrownbag guys for giving us this opportunity, and also the Cisco and HP and the Rackspace who giving us this great opportunity. So let me go into my presentation. So before go to my topic, I would like to give you a brief introduction about us. I'm working with the NTT, so it's called NTT Software Innovation Center. We basically deal with the open source softwares. So right now we have running various of open source softwares. In my team, we are working with the OpenStack. So we were working with OpenStack from the beginning, and we are so much to work with the collaborated with the SDN. And one of our solutions is like how to provide the cloud system to the large enterprises users. So from here, I will give you a brief introduction about our solution, how we provide our solution to large enterprises, and how we get them on board to the cloud systems. So when it comes to the large enterprises have been slow to adapt the cloud because they have various of problems, like performance issues, securities has been there, but it's not the customer perspective. When it comes to the customer perspective, they have like they're afraid to change the systems because they have a tough security settings, and they're very large and they cannot move that fast. So they need some kind of solution to move step by step or something. And on the other hand, they have some legacy applications running on, so they need the L2 connectivity between the systems. And also, they don't need to stop the service, so they're looking for like non-destructible service platforms. And also, they are not willing to do any complex settings on the system. So we realized that they cannot move that fast, so they need some kind of solution that they can get into board on a step-by-step. So we were thinking how to provide those kind of solutions to the large enterprises customers. So we came up with this solution, like provide a system which they can coexist the on-premise system and cloud system for certain period of time, so they can move their servers to the cloud system by step. So like in this diagram, you can move your web servers in the first stage, and the second stage you can move another set of servers, and so on. You can move your whole system cloud. But and also go on board by step with no minimum time of service disruption. If I say no service disruption, that's not going to true because there's some service disruptions, but also you don't have to change the network that rapidly. And also, you don't have to put so many complex settings. So these are the kind of solution we're going to provide. But the point is how we're going to provide these solutions. So and how we're going to implement these the answers for our users. So this is the when you want to coexist two systems in the different side of network, you need the seamless access between those two networks. So what we did is we create a L2 connection between the two systems, or L3 level 3 data center and the on-premise system, or the level 3 network. And it's an overlay type network visualization. And we put two gateways on the both side, and we use also OpenStack to connect the whole system. And yeah, so this is the basic idea of what we've been trying to implement. So we have the OpenStack projects like Nova Center Glance, and it's there. And we put the gateway server on the customer side and another gateway server on the data center side. So then we connect those two gateways to a secure tunnel, so customer can communicate to the servers on the other side of the network. And also we have another network only for the controlling the network. So we basically control the network through the neutron. So there's a like control packets goes to the separate network, and so the user can make the settings on their gateway through the Neutron API, and also they can manage their virtual machines and the virtual resources through the OpenStack REST API. So in this design, it's possible to user can get on board the cloud by step, and without without any complex settings. And also, when you have two systems online together, you can have the minimum service disruption. So also you can make the settings on using the OpenStack REST API. So it's very simple to create a VM and attach some resource to it, and it's very simple to manage. And also, since it's connected to the L2 network, we have the seamless connectivity between two networks, in the one on the on-premise side and one on the data center side. And so remote connectivity also seamless, and you have your L2 network, and you don't have to change the IP addresses. And we provide the IP address range without any restrictions, so you can have your servers as same as you have in your on-premise side. So there's a lot of advantages in this system. So however, we have some problems. We have some difficulties right now we are deploying the hardware gateways, so it's very costly and it takes time to deploy hardware gateway. So right now we are thinking about deploying the level 2 software gateways. And also, since the throughput is too high, so we have some issues on the traffic on the LAN. So right now we are thinking about the WAN performance accelerations. And also, like these topics we were working so long, but right now there's similar topics on the OpenStack community, like VPN as service. So right now there's discussions going on in the summit. And also we have some other solutions like VXLANs on the VTAPs also, and VipTera. And we are looking forward to interact with these new ideas and make it more greasy, so our customers can easily go on board with cloud. So this is the end of the presentation, and thank you for the listening. But so if you have any questions, so you can grab me outside after this presentation. So if you're behind the screen watching this on YouTube, you can still give me an email, and I'll try to answer your questions.